Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to SN1. So, Master Wonder, SN1 here, and for today's content, we're going to shake our neck until it breaks. We're going to shake our neck until it breaks. And then, shake our neck until it breaks. No, we're just going to, no. We're going to watch Birds of Prey, and we're going to hope that this trailer is better than the first one.
Can I help you?
Why, yes, you can. I'm here to report a terrible crime.
And what terrible crime is that?
This Nah, shit. I told this all wrong. Quick history lesson. This all started when
the language isn't good. I hope this movie is rated R. Okay.
the Joker and I broke up.
Okay.
It was completely mutual. And soon enough,
I'm scared of
I was
explosions,
back on
man.
my feet, ready
And
to
yeah,
embrace the
I don't know
fierce
what the word
goddess
irony
within.
means. What?
And soon enough, I was back on my feet, ready to embrace the fierce goddess within. It's oh so quiet. Now that I cut ties with Mr. J, I'm about to learn that a lot of people want me dead.
Was that
And at the
Victor?
top of that list is this guy.
Diamond Man.
But it
Black
turns out
Mask.
Oh,
Deadpool.
He's after all of us. You can't just robbed him.
Lol.
You betrayed him. You threw all of us.
Cassandra just didn't do that.
He's after all of us.
Cassandra just didn't do that. Come on, man. Come on. That is that Victor Zaz dude, right? He's a psycho or something. And he hurts people. For the lack of a better word.
You are so cool.
What? I know this is how you do reaction videos, right? I'm so talented that I know how to do reaction videos properly without interrupting and interfering and irritating the audience. So subscribe to SN1 and become an SN1er right here. Click on the bell icon. No, the bell icon is not here. Bell icon is right there. I got a bell icon for you right here.
He's after all of us. The kid just robbed him. You betrayed him. You killed his BFF.
What?
You are so cool. And you're dumb enough to be building a case against him. So, unless we all want to die very unpleasant deaths,
He's wearing the
we have to
mask.
work together.
Sure.
Ooh.
Psychologically speaking, breaking failure brings the catharsis we hope for. Are we ready? You blow up!
Trying to hide. Was it an eyeball? That looks like an eyeball. Man, that is weird, man. That heck is weird, man. Turn it up. Yeah. Oh, sonic boom or something. Oh, I like that. Highly impractical, but it looks cool. Oh, that transition was a diamond. That's a heart. That is a diamond. That isn't a diamond. That is just inappropriate. I think so. So yeah.
Oh shit! Is that a hyena in a bathtub?
I named him Bruce after that hunky Wayne guy.
Also, Bruce Wayne is a bitch. So that's why. Again, watch it twice for watch time. Watch it twice for watch time. Wait a minute. How much watch time did we get? 5 minutes. Man, this is going to be difficult. Just like sitting through Suicide Squad. Oh, hey-oh.
And I'm here to report a terrible crime.
Team DC.
And what terrible
I have a
crime
habit
is
of
that?
losing, you see. You can check my stats of my YouTube channel. Been working on it for the last 365 days, completely unemployed. This green screen isn't mine. This mic isn't mine. This headphone isn't mine. That's the camera. But this headphone isn't mine. This camera isn't mine. The internet I'm using isn't mine.
This house isn't even mine.
I'm a homeless guy actually. I just break into it. I know how to pick locks. I just pick a lock, enter here, use the camera, use the thing, ting 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 ting, and just go back home, uploading on my YouTube channel. I'm waiting for my paycheck, but I haven't made any money. So put it. You know what?
And what
terrible crime is that? What God is doing to me for the last 6 years of my life.
terrible crime is that?
Put it right here. Yeah, do it. Do it to me, not to that reception.
Ah, shit. I told this all wrong. Quick history lesson.
It would have been scary if she just looks here. If she just looks towards the camera, breaks the fourth wall.
I told this all wrong. Quick history lesson. This all started when the Joker and I broke up. It was completely mutual. And
Ace
soon enough,
chemicals.
I was back on
Are those the chemicals that made her who she is right now? An insane acrobat.
my feet, ready to embrace the
90-pound women that can kick the crap out of guys twice her size. Who are also super
fierce
powered.
goddess within.
What is that? Namkeen hai kya hai? Is that spaghetti? Liquid spaghetti? Is it sour?
Now that I cut
Something
ties with
sour.
Mr.
I don't
J,
know.
I'm about
I
to
don't know
learn that
American
a lot
food.
of people
Yeah, that
Want
is
me dead.
Victor. Za. And he's standing out at Gotham City Imports. Gotham City Imports. That means they have stolen something from this museum thing, or it's just a place where all of the imported goods from Gotham are kept. Wow, what a deduction. No one can do trailer background like me. Okay, he's at an art gallery or something. Ooh, is that the Joker? Is that Jared Leto? I think so.
At the top of that list is this guy.
Oh, that's a tiger. White tiger. They may have some Easter eggs here. I can find nothing. What is written on his cheeks? I hope it isn't broken or scarred or something. What is that? Intern? Or kitten or smitten?
That wasn't the only dame in Gotham looking
Kitten is what the people in my school called me. But they didn't say kitten.
for emancipation.
Wait a minute. Did she throw a cocoa brick on
Wasn't the
them?
only dame in Gotham looking for emancipation. He's after all of us. We can't just rob him.
Who robbed him? You fall in love.
He's after all of us. We can't just rob him.
Okay. Zaz. Oh, who is he dancing with?
He's after all of us. We can't just rob him.
Who is that dude? I don't know.
You betrayed him. You killed his BFF. What? You are so cool.
Who is she? Huntress or someone?
You never. And you're dumb enough to be building a case against him.
I don't even watch that many superhero movies. Trust me, just because I look like an average, movie goer of these type of movies doesn't mean I know anything about them.
Unless we all
Okay, where are they?
want to die very unpleasant death, we're gonna have to work together.
Whoa, I want to see that location. Sucker punch. No. That hyena looks way too domesticated. I ain't trusting it though. I like the music with it.
Psychologically speaking, vengeance rarely brings the catharsis we hope for. Yeah. Are we ready? You blow up
Whoa! Sick. Although highly impractical,
Yeah.
but stylized. I don't mind it. He hits a backflip, lands on his belly. Like Canary. Rene Montoya. Cassandra Cain. Okay. Huntress. Did I say Hauntress or Huntress? Harley Quinn? Wait, what? Harley! Yeah, it says Harley Quinn. So that dance is a bit... whatever. Whatever makes you happy, man. Who are these people? That is Zaza 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 again. Wait a minute, how is that supposed to hurt him? Even they are laughing at it. Because that didn't do That guy is just I think I just spelled out one of their secondary villains. But that guy is actually staying there. Is that Harley Quinn? Strapped and kidnapped and... Yo! There. Keep waiting, man. Keep waiting. Is he also looking at her? When to protect himself?
Okay, that's it. I don't care if the watch time is 10 minutes or not. I'm going home, okay?
So that's it. If you like this video, check out another videos like here, or here. There will be a card here. Actually, this direction. So yeah, goodbye, my friends. I have to bid you guys farewell now. I'm so sorry, but goodbye. And don't forget to subscribe to SN1. Goodbye.